turning up and ready to go. From my head down to my toes. It started with a little bitty kiss. I've got to have more of this. Let's do it, then move it. Baby, let's get to it. We'll touch it, then we'll push it. We'll move it so we don't lose it. You got the thing I'm looking for. Every time I walk out my door, I love your eyes, you're sweet as honey. Cool, this is yummy, yummy. Let's do it, then move it. Baby, let's get to it. We'll touch it, then we'll push it. We'll prove it so we don't lose it.
This dance is called Let's Groove It. It's a 32 counts, 4-wall beginner level line dance. Starting with the right foot. Section 1. Weight is on the left. Right, Lindy step. Shuffle to the right, arm right, left, right. Left foot, rock back, recover onto right. Left, Lindy step. Left side shuffle on left, right, left. Right foot, rock back, recover onto left. Section 2, 4, forward toe strokes with hip bumps. Touch right toe forward with right hip bump, step right forward. Touch left toe forward with left hip bump, step forward left. Right toe stroke with hip bump. Left toe stroke with hip bump. Section 3, right, rocking chair. Rock, step forward on right, recover onto left. Rock back on right, recover onto left. Pivot, quarter turn left twice. Step forward right, pivot quarter turn left, way on the left foot, facing 9. Forward right, pivot quarter left turn, way on the left foot, facing 6. Section 4, cross side right sailor step. Cross step right, step left to left side. Sailor step, step right behind, step left to left side, step right to right side. Cross, quarter left, coaster cross. Cross step left, make a quarter left turn, stepping back on right foot, facing 3. Left, coaster cross. Back, together, cross. Let's count. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. There's no tags, no restarts in this dance.